We were looking for quite a while for somebody to help us with our kitchen, and I kept seeing ads in like the Charleston magazine and Charleston Design, beautiful spreads that Lowcountry Contractors had done. The kitchen I always thought had really good bones to begin with, but we had already painted a lot of the downstairs and we needed to lighten the kitchen. The kitchen was beautiful, but it was a lot darker, and we needed to bring it up to speed. It's an integral part of our whole house. You have to walk through the kitchen one way or the other, whether you come through the front door or you come through the back. We initially got a lot of pictures out of magazines, had done a lot of research ourselves, so we sort of knew what direction we might want to go in. It's really daunting though when you start talking about paint color and trim and the hardware for the kitchen cabinets. That's just crazy because there's a bajillion of those. Catherine was very instrumental in listening to us and helping us downsize our thought process a little bit to where we could actually start thinking about, okay, yeah, let's steer to this direction. But all in all, it was really a collaboration between both of us. There was a doorway that was kind of like a French door, but it wouldn't work. You couldn't open it up. Getting rid of that completely opened up the entire space, and it made the kitchen flow better into what we call our music room. And the other thing is having a microwave drawer, which is just awesome. I love that. It's a fun toy to play with, and it's a lot easier to reach down to put something in the microwave than for me to have to reach up high above an oven to get stuff in and out. Everybody took a lot of pride in their work, and as far as I'm concerned, it was almost like family. We were really pleased with the outcome. Everybody was great to work with. I would always recommend them and would welcome them back into our house, and we're already thinking about redoing our bathroom, and Lowcountry Contractors will be the first people we call. So very, very pleased.